Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video I'm going to be going over Webtalk. Alright, now this is a combination, in my opinion, between LinkedIn and Facebook, right? And then we do have an update from our CEO, RJ Goldrich. And he says if you weren't aware, this month we introduced a new point bonus that pays 2 times reward points if you're a pro member and 3 times reward points if you're a pro platinum member, right? And you can find these details both within your rewards dashboard and the new pro upgrade page. And then he shows you the link to the page. And then this is the potential that you could earn with, right? And then I've gotten another member in my level 4. Okay, so we'll go there, and then let's see. Then we'll go to affiliate referrals, recurring sales. So that's coming soon. Let's see here. Payment. So far, I could cash out $19.37. And then just from let's see. And then from my payout, I got over $100. Well, actually $200 now. Gotta wait to cash that out. And go back here. All you have to do is just put in what you want to advertise, your posts, and then let me go here and then just click on my profile, for example, and then here's what I'm promoting, my Punk Panda update. Okay, so you could pretty much advertise here. I got over 1.2 1.2 thousand followers, right? And that this is, like I said, is for free. You could join for free, and then you get $5 just for signing up. Now, if you are ready to join, go ahead and click the link below. It's free to join, and thank you for viewing my channel, and have a good one.